7 amazing mind abilities that make people respect you. Before starting the video, please subscribe. If you want others to respect you, take a close look at the most respected people around you. You'll discover some surprising things. Sometimes, the things we believe will earn us respect actually push people away. We often confuse actions that grab attention with those that truly inspire respect. In this list, you'll find some strategies that may go against what you expect, but they have a powerful impact. You don't have to be the loudest person in a room to gain respect. Here are some subtle psychological approaches you can use. 1. Non-reactivity. Many people believe that demanding respect through loud and aggressive behavior is effective. This includes individuals who raise their voice when they're losing an argument or bosses who yell at employees over minor mistakes. However, this approach often backfires, causing fear and resentment. In my experience, those who can control their temper, especially in heated situations, gain the most respect. Hollywood often portrays its villains as unreactive badasses who remain unfazed by danger. There's a good reason for this. When you can stay calm in situations where others lose their composure, you instantly appear more powerful. You give the impression that you possess knowledge others lack. Someone who remains composed while being shouted at exudes a sense of power. We all instinctively recognize this. If you desire more respect from those around you, learn the art of responding calmly. Be the mature person who skillfully diffuses and cools down escalating situations. 2. Respect your time. If you want people to respect you, make sure to hold them responsible for how they use your time. For example, if you have a meeting or dinner planned with someone and they consistently show up late, speak up about it. Let them know that it would be helpful if they informed you beforehand so you can adjust your plans accordingly. By doing this, you establish yourself as someone who values their time. Imagine a guy who tells his girlfriend that he'll be busy between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. on certain weekdays. He appears more valuable than someone who is always glued to their phone, constantly texting. When you act as if your time is not valuable, people assume that you're not important. The opposite is also true. 3. Take up space. Did you know that people form opinions about you before they even meet you? It's not just about what you say when you first meet someone. According to Vanessa Van Edwards, an expert on human behavior, the way you carry yourself and your body language make a big impact on how others perceive you. If you want to earn respect from others, it's important to pay attention to your body language. People who command respect know how to project confidence through their posture and movements. You don't have to be a smooth talker. Simply carrying yourself with poise and confidence can make a difference. Avoid slouching or appearing nervous. Walk with purpose and offer a warm smile when you make eye contact with someone. These small actions add up and create an initial impression of the kind of person you are. By the time you actually have a conversation with someone, what you say becomes less important. They have already formed an opinion about you based on their initial impression, and they may see you as someone of high value. 4. Having difficult conversations. Many individuals gain my utmost respect when they have the courage to point out my mistakes. Although I may not always appreciate being criticized, their actions earn my admiration. Why? Engaging in challenging conversations is not something most people find easy. It often makes individuals anxious. It requires considerable strength of character and emotional resilience. Those who are able to have such conversations demonstrate a high level of maturity. It takes someone who isn't afraid of confrontation to engage in difficult discussions. Once you possess this ability, you enhance your standing in the eyes of others. You establish yourself as someone who can handle difficult situations. You're not just another person who can be taken advantage of. You observe what's happening and aren't afraid to speak the truth, even if it's painful. 5. Treat silence like a pro. How people handle moments of silence in social interactions reveals their true character. Whether it's during a public speech, a casual chat, or a first date, many individuals get anxious when there's a pause in the conversation. To earn respect, it's essential to learn how to utilize these quiet moments to your advantage. Even more effective is deliberately creating and utilizing such moments. Here's how. Imagine you're giving a presentation. Utilize pauses to highlight important points. Instead of rushing to break the silence as soon as you enter the room, take your time before introducing yourself. During a date, avoid being the one who awkwardly fills the silence with random topics. If you've been leading the conversation, occasionally pause, make eye contact with your date, and give them the opportunity to bring up a subject. These simple moments can significantly impact how others perceive you. 6. Redirecting praise. Whenever someone watches an interview with an actor who acknowledges and appreciates the entire team when receiving recognition for a fantastic movie, their admiration for that actor increases. It's unclear whether the actor genuinely means it or if it's a strategy to win people over. However, one thing is certain: redirecting praise to others is an effective way to gain more likability and respect. This approach may seem counterintuitive. Some individuals instinctively boast about their own achievements in an effort to gain attention. However, sometimes the best way to succeed is by uplifting others. Consider a boss who knows how to redirect praise to their employees when the business is doing well. That kind of boss is someone people will be happy to respect and work for. 7. Holding eye contact. When you hold someone's gaze, it carries a powerful message that goes beyond simply looking confident. It signifies something deeper. By making direct eye contact, you establish yourself as a worthy individual. Without uttering a single word, you demonstrate maturity and attentiveness. You show that you recognize the other person's presence and, in return, expect them to acknowledge you as well. People who struggle to maintain eye contact often have underlying reasons. It could stem from a clash with their own values or a sense of inferiority towards the person they avoid looking at. Eye contact serves as a fundamental element in earning respect and is arguably the most crucial piece of the puzzle. It's difficult to hold someone in high regard if they can't meet your gaze during interactions. We have explored 7 amazing mind abilities that can truly make people respect you. From mastering non-reactivity to treating silence like a pro, these skills have the power to transform the way others perceive and admire you. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by sharing this video, giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment below. Your engagement and feedback mean a lot to us. Thank you once again, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future.